Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama and we are showing houses today. Got through a couple of appointments, so I thought I'd come out here and take a look at one for you guys. We've got a 14 by 66. This home is called the Grabill, on sale for $67,000. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, and it's a cute little house. Olive on the outside, black shutters. You can tell we've got a transom window up there. And let's go inside and check it out. It's a nice, beautiful day here in Topeka, Indiana. My name is Christina. I'm a professional housing consultant for Champion Homes, and people come and visit me. We do appointments. I can take you over to the factory and show you how they're made. We've done a couple of those today. I want to say hi to Melissa and also Ethan and his wife Kenzie. We had a good day today and saw the factory and saw some homes. So coming in the front door, we've got a living area, and I love the colors in this home. People are really going very plain and simple. Patterns are kind of fading away. Some trending things are mix match cabinets, but all in all, we're seeing some very basic, simple colors. So Nordic white on the floor, Casper cashmere. This is a VOG, a vinyl over gypsum, meaning it is a drywall product, but it's got this vinyl backing. Some are Fuji on my nails. There's some color for you. The basic white trim. Windows are single hung, meaning they only open from the bottom, but they do tilt all the way in for easy cleaning. They do have the grids, but the grids are inside in between the panes of glass, so you don't have to clean every crack and crevice. That was always a bummer in the home where I was growing up. I've grown up in manufactured housing. I am currently doing a project on my own, so I do believe in these 100% with all of my heart. Here's the kitchen area. And what's interesting and nice about this kitchen, and people really enjoy it, is that it's got a corner sink. So while you're doing the dishes, you can still be looking out the window, but also have a different kind of aesthetic on your sink. It's not flat up against the wall like that. It's got a nice, something different, right? Some people like different things. Here we've extended the cabinet, added an extra cabinet there. That's about a $395 option, and worth it if you need the counter space especially, because look how long this counter gets. We've got quartz frost on the countertop, and you can see there's some veins of marbly look in there, and then Timberwolf on the cabinets with some brushed nickel knobs. So this customer has kept it very basic and bright with some whites, Casper cashmere, white on the countertops, and then a nice warm brown. So we've got cool tones on the top, warm in the middle, and back to cool on the bottom. But also we've got some black appliances, so that just kind of puts a little bit of a, I don't know, just a different thing in here. So the basic white, brown, black, I love it. Standard appliances, they did add a gas stove, but we've got the hood over there, and that does chimney all the way out. I don't know if I've ever, oh boy, this is gonna be embarrassing. I can barely reach. It does chimney all the way out, so I wanted you to get a look at what that looks like in there. And then this home is Energy Star certified. That is a label that we use, and also certain appliances we would put in there. You just gotta let us know that's what you wanna do. Here's the laundry area, and what's nice about this laundry area is it is shut off from everything, right? So if you don't want anybody seeing your business and your dirty laundry, this would be one of the good floor plans for you. We do this in many sizes and many widths off, well, not many, 14 and 16 in the widths as well, but many different lengths. I always imagined you would put some kind of shelving here, hooks, potato bins, something. I know it's gonna get tight when you have your washer and dryer right here, but definitely would do something right here for storage. All right, so standing in the kitchen, let's just take a look over there. Remember, this is a 14 wide. Sometimes it's really difficult to feel what a 14 would feel like unless you're actually standing in it. Here's this short hallway. I love that they did a 9-light door, and we call it a 9-light because 369 panes of glass in there. $171 is all that door cost to trade it out from the 6-panel, and it brings in so much more natural light. Furnace right across the street from the door, and then here's the primary bedroom. For a 14 wide, this is not too shabby. Let me stand over in the corner so you can get a good idea of the size of this room. Got perimeter heat. If you want your registers up against the wall, that's an option you're gonna wanna make sure that you have. Always gonna have a 46 by 61 in the primary bedroom. That's an egress window. We want you to be able to get out in case of an emergency. And then nice spacious closet. Headed into the primary bathroom. This kept very simple as well. 14 by 40 window. Guys, please put a window in your bathroom. I promise you will never regret it. For many purposes, light and fresh air. Those are the two reasons I would do that. Single vanity. Hi everybody, I hope you're enjoying your Saturday. And let's see, 019 over the commode linen. Gonna store some toilet paper in there and turning it around. We've got the standard tub shower. Okay, there you have it. The primary area, the kitchen coming up quickly. We'll take a peek at the right, living area, and heading down a short hallway. Also guys, if you've got a hallway, put a window in it, put some light in there so that you can have some nice natural sunlight coming into your hallway. Otherwise, it gets a little dark, but it's a personal preference, so not required. Here's bath 2, and thank the heavens, we've got a transom window over there. Here's something I may have never told you about transom windows. We want them on the side walls. This is a side wall, this is an end wall. We want to see them on the side walls, preferably. I don't see them on the end walls, very rarely. This is bath 2. And finally, bedroom number 3. You're fitting a full in here easily. There you have it. Let's recap. 14 by 66, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We call this home the Grabill. This is perfect for it's perfect for everything. 880 square feet. Will cost you $67,000 as a base price. One other thing, while I'm looking at this, we've got an overhead cabinet up there. The standard is just a shelf right across. If you want some place to hide your crock pots, make sure you do that overhead cabinet in the kitchen. And I'm excited to show you this home today. I opened up several single wides. We had a hustle bustle day full of appointments and visitors. So give me a call. My name is Christina, 260-383-1009. I'm the Mobile Home Mama, and I always appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks so much.